Hello, very good day to you. If you're hoping for something a bit drier and a bit brighter, well, there's a brief respite in the unsettled weather to come this weekend, but for the time being, it's still pretty unsettled. We saw that last night. We had a swathe of heavy rain push its way up from the south. That actually brought some fairly significant snow across parts of Wales and also southwest England. All that's then pushed its way northwards as we've gone through the night and the start of today, but then another swathe of rain has fed in from the southwest. That's brought some intense downpours, also some thunder and some strong gusty winds. We've already seen gusts of around 50 miles per hour and we're going to see stronger winds as we go through today. We do have a wind warning out for southern coastal areas because gusts could exceed 60, possibly even 70 miles per hour, with the focus of the strongest winds pushing its way eastwards as we go through the day. Also some heavy downpours for many of us. Perhaps the greatest cause of concern though will be across eastern parts of Northern Ireland, where we're likely to see rainfall totals building up, could be around 40 millimetres over the higher ground here. Otherwise though, and it is going to be a blustery, showery picture for many of us, heavy downpours pushing their way northwards across parts of England and Wales, some hail, some thunder mixed in with these, and it's in the downpours that we're going to see the strongest gusty winds. Further north across parts of Scotland, there'll be a bit more persistent rain here, and that could bring some sleet or snow for a time over the hills and the mountains. Temperatures will be a little bit below average for the time of year, or near normal for some of us, but when you factor in those strong gusty winds, it is going to feel quite chilly, quite unpleasant at times, particularly in any downpours. The strongest winds in the southeast are likely to be later on through the afternoon and the evening in association with any downpours, so watch out for those. Otherwise, and as we go through the end of the day and overnight, further showery rain pushing its way northwards, but a slice of something a little bit drier and clearer developing across parts of England, Wales and also Northern Ireland as we go through the night into Good Friday. Across Northern Ireland, where we see the clear skies, there could be a touch of frost and perhaps even a few pockets of fog to watch out for first thing tomorrow morning. Elsewhere, and where the sky's clear, yes, it may turn a little bit chilly, but where we hold on to the cloudy, blustery, showery weather, it's going to stay several degrees above freezing. Otherwise, and as we go through Good Friday, a blustery start for many of us, and again there will be some showery rain around. Worth bearing in mind that the showers could be quite intense still the potential for some heavy downpours. Some places could see 10 to 15 millimetres in just a few hours, and there could still be some hail and some thunder mixed in too. So some localised issues, could be some difficult driving conditions. I know a lot of people will be heading out on the roads as we start the long Easter weekend. Still though, some bright or sunny spells in between any heavier showers, and temperatures will be a degree or two higher than today for many of us, and those blustery winds, they'll be easing as we go into the afternoon, so it should start to feel a little bit more pleasant for many of us. Looking ahead through the rest of the Easter weekend, and yes, there will still be further showers at times, so it's not going to turn completely dry, but there will be a slight rest up in our weather, in as much as there will be some more prolonged dry and perhaps even sunny spells. And with that, temperatures will be rising too, so it should feel a little bit warmer for many of us as well. But it's only a brief respite. That's because there is more unsettled weather to come and a drop in our temperatures again as we go into next week. Alex Deacon will have more information, a more in-depth look at what we can expect this weekend in our weekend weather video, which will be available on our YouTube channel this afternoon. See you later.